Welcome back to a new episode of Mastering Programming. Now, by this point, we've done quite a lot of content, and we're going to start and do some review questions just to make sure that we're on the right path. Now, I will start by reading the question, which is, what are the three primary goals of Swift? Pause the video and make sure you give yourself some time to answer this, and I'll answer in one, two, three. Well, from what we read and experienced, it is a safe language, it is a fast language, and it is an expressive language. Make sure you click on check answer, and as you can see, we've got all three correct. Let's move on. The second question says, which of these are features of Swift that make it a safe language? Is it type safety, type interface, error handling, or optionals? Again, I'll be answering in one, two, three. It is actually all four answers. Swift has type safety, it has type interface, it has great error handling, and it has or uses optionals. Check answer, and as you can see, all four, are correct. Next question is, which of the following is a great environment for prototyping Swift code? As you just saw, we actually used playgrounds, so that's exactly what we're going to select. Playgrounds. It's very easy to use, it's quick, and it's just not complicated. And we can check our answer, and it is correct. Let's move forward, and this is our final and last question. And it says, what will the following code print to the console? We have let hello world, let hello playground, goodbye playground, and then a print statement. As you can see, we're not actually passing any of the above constants inside of our print statement. Instead, we have everything surrounded in quotation marks. And that means that everything inside of the quotation marks will be printed exactly as they appear in our inside of our print statement, which means that D is the only correct answer. Check answer. It is correct. Let's see if we got all the questions right. And as you can see, congratulations! You've successfully completed this review. We have 4 out of 4 answers correct. Thank you, this was a quick review, and next time we're actually going to start learning constants, variables, and data types. Have a good day.